In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Slack on your Mac. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into the installation process. Whether you're looking to set up Slack for personal use or to build applications using the Slack CLI, I'm going to break down all the steps you need to follow. First, we want to make sure that you have all the necessary tools installed. The Slack CLI, which stands for Command Line Interface, is vital for developing Slack applications. Before we install this tool, we need to install Git, a dependency that the Slack CLI requires. You can easily download Git from its official website, or if you have installed Homebrew on your Mac, you can run the command brew install git in your terminal. Next, let's download the Slack CLI installer for your environment. If you're on a Mac with Apple Silicon, you'll want to get the version available as a .tar.gz file specifically for that architecture. If you're using an Intel-based Mac, there's also a .tar.gz file tailored for your device. Just head to the Slack CLI page and grab the correct version. Once you have downloaded the installer, the next step is to add the Slack CLI to your path. This is crucial because it allows you to run the Slack commands from any directory in your terminal. To do this, take the following steps. First, you need to create a symbolic link for the Slack CLI. You can either create this link from the directory where you downloaded the Slack binary, or move the binary file to a folder that's already included in your path, like the .local/bin folder. For example, if you downloaded the Slack CLI to a directory called .slack, you would run the command ln-s home $slack/bin slack $home/localsbin slack. This command essentially creates a shortcut that tells your system where to find the Slack commands. Now, if there's already an existing Slack binary on your system, it's a good idea to avoid any potential conflicts. You can easily do this by changing the alias when creating your symbolic link to something unique, or renaming the downloaded binary to a different name that makes sense to you. Finally, we want to verify that everything is installed correctly and that Slack is now in your path. To do this, simply open your terminal and type the command slack version. If everything was set up properly, you should see an output displaying the version of Slack that you just installed, which confirms that it's ready to use. And that's it. You now have Slack installed on your Mac, and you're all set to explore its powerful features and start building apps if that's your goal. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, please remember to like this video and subscribe for more